In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Microsoft Word documents by using the Quick Parts feature to insert dynamic fields. This is a great way to automate certain functions and give your documents a professional touch. Whether you're preparing intricate reports or creating personalized letters, having fields that update automatically in your document can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and explore this step-by-step process. First, open the Microsoft Word document that you'd like to work on. If it's not already open on your screen, navigate to the document and double-click to launch it in Word. Once you have your document up, the next step is to head over to the Insert tab. You'll find this tab at the top of your Word window alongside other tabs like Home, Design, and Page Layout. Clicking on the Insert tab will reveal a range of options. Now look for the Quick Parts function in the ribbon. If you haven't used it before, Quick Parts is a feature in Microsoft Word where you can create or store and find reusable pieces of content, such as frequently used text. For our task today, we're interested in inserting a field, which is a kind of dynamic content. Click on Quick Parts, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Field. This will open a new dialog box displaying a plethora of fields you can insert into your document. These fields can be dynamic and change whenever the source data changes, making them perfect for dates, document properties, and more. For this demonstration, let's choose the Comments field. This is a handy feature if you're composing a document that multiple people will review or if you want to insert your own notes. Within the Field dialog box, scroll through the list until you find Comments. Clicking on it will present you with formatting options. Today, we'll select the uppercase format to make our comments stand out in the document. After selecting your options, click OK to insert the field into your document. This action places a placeholder for your comments into the document, formatted in uppercase as specified. Now that you've inserted the field, we're going to see how we can toggle its appearance. Move your cursor to the part of the document where your newly inserted field is located. Right-click on this field, and from the context menu, select Toggle Field Codes. This function will switch between viewing the field's code and the resulting text or data. It's useful to get a behind-the-scenes look at what's generating the dynamic data you see in your document. And just like that, you're done. You now have a dynamic field in your document that enhances its functionality. Finessing your documents with these fields can make a big difference, whether you're aiming for efficiency or simply looking to impress your readers. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with this feature in your future Word documents.